Now, after you got your part cut out, what you're going to do is take your slip bit. Now, the Sharkbite you would need to use is make sure one end say slip in. Because what you're going to do is you're going to put this all the way down as far as you can and pull up on here. And to make sure it's long enough before you cut it, just measure your Sharkbite up against your pipes like so. And you want at least an inch to come in the bottom and an inch in the top. But to get that on there, you can slide it down on the bottom as far as you need to, then pull up, just like that. And I'm gonna show you when I do it, I'm just showing you guys. And before you even cut it, what I didn't show is I put the Sharkbite up against my burst and made sure that my coupling was going to be long enough. So you just put it up against like that, and you measure the top, make sure you got an inch in there, and you do the bottom to make sure you have an inch. It can be more than an inch, or less than an inch. You at least want a half an inch. But the whole purpose is if you don't have play in either pipe, you can put this one on and slide it up. Now, after you got your part cut out, what you're going to do is take your slip bit, your slip Sharkbite. This right here is going to be the stop for the top one. So you go ahead and just mark the pipe. It will stop when they get to there, but just to let you know how far to keep going once it's inside the Sharkbite, you put a mark on the top one. And the bottom one, like I said, you want to just make sure you got enough clearance on the bottom one just to make it to here, so it can be either an inch or a half inch or above, it doesn't matter. So now what we're going to do is, now you might need a tool. They sell a tool for this, but you can use a crescent wrench. Make sure it's about the size of the pipe, because you're going to push up on the bottom of your Sharkbite like so once you get it on this bottom piece here. So sit my tool down real quick, and remember this size is slip in, so put it on like so, and then we can get down up in there. Like that there. And it didn't quite make it all the way up there, so I probably made my line a little bit taller than what it should have been. Sorry about that, folks. But there you have it. The Sharkbite installed.